Hi everyone, this video is dedicated to Newoldstamp integration with Microsoft 365 and all the perks and benefits you can get out of that. We're going to take a look at how to actually set up this integration. Then we will be creating our signatures within our flexible signature generator. After that, we will dive into analytics and how your signatures are performing. Of course, we will take a look at the banner campaigns and how to set those up and all the additional features that are going to be useful for you. Let's start with the signature manager. Here you can see a few sections. However, I totally recommend to start with creating your signature by clicking so. Then you're going to be redirected to all the pre-designed signatures that are out there and going to save you tons and tons of time. However, if you do have something very precise in your mind, you can start designing from scratch. For this particular video, I'm going to go with a template. Once you find something you like, you can just click on that and you're ready to work with that. Everything is super flexible. For example, if you want to change the name, you just type it in on the left and then signature preview to your right is updated instantly. Everything is super easy to change. You can change all the information. You can play around with the image. You can add your social links, dive into the banner campaigns, adjust all the apps and buttons, and also finalize the general layout. If you want to dive into more details of designing your signature, there will be a separate video dedicated to that. However, I'm pretty happy with the result right now, so I'm just going to save it to the dashboard by clicking so. In a few moments, you're going to see your newly created signature on the signature list, and after that, I think we are ready to proceed with the next step, which will be integration section. Here you can see all the options of the integrations. However, how I mentioned on the beginning of the video, we're going to work with the Office, Microsoft 365. Just click on connect button and here we need to fill out all the information, which seems super easy, but please make sure that you go through all the steps and procedures of instructions so you're aware of the whole process. Once you filled out all the information, just complete the process and you're going to see the connected statuses pop up on the top left of the Office icon. To the right of that icon, you can see there is 3 buttons and settings. Here you can enable automatic signature update with Microsoft, so it's gonna take off some manual job from your shoulders. Once it's done, we can go back to Signature Manager, and now we are ready to work with a department master signature that will make easy for you to make bulk changes and updates by editing the master signature. So here we can either create it from scratch, or since we already created our signature, we can hover over that and set it as master by clicking so and confirm. Once it's done, we can still edit the master signature here. For example, I totally recommend to lock all the empty boxes and also something that will be consistent throughout all the employees in your company. For example, company name, phone number of the company, and let's say the website. In this case, it will make it much easier for you to edit all the further signatures and its layouts. Once we are done, we save it to the dashboard, and here you can see everything is updated. After that, we can finally import the data. And in our case, the easiest way would be using our integration with Microsoft. Once you choose all the groups that you want to import, just click import, and after a few moments, you're going to have all the created signatures based on your master signature. In case you're not happy with something, you can go to the master signature and edit it. Once we are ready, we can deploy all the users by clicking the deploy button. Of course, there are a few options, but in our case, the most logical one would be to use our integration and to deploy that to Outlook by clicking so. Here you can choose the users that you want to deploy by clicking and then actually finalizing the whole process. Once you have everything set up with the first set of signatures you've got there is another great feature that you can use is the department list. Basically, it will help you to create coherent but still a little bit different signatures within different teams and departments. Let's say you want to have a creative team to have something a little bit different. You can hover over the master signature you have so far, and there is a button duplicate master on the top right. We can just click that, rename our department for creative, for example, and press duplicate. In a few moments, you can have a separate department signature and actually edit it to the needs of the particular department. When you're set with all the signatures and all the departments, we can finally take a look at our analytics page. Here you can double check the efficiency of all the links and performance of the signatures. Here you can see the clicks by platform and device, type and popular day, clicks by countries, and so on and so on. Of course, that is super easy to navigate through the dates, which makes it much more efficient for you to double check. how your signatures are performing. After that, we can play around with the banner campaigns. Here you can see the analytics of banner campaigns that are running out there for you. You can see all the status bars and also clicks, views, and CDR. Of course, that is super easy to create a new campaign. For example, if you want something special running for New Year's or Thanksgiving or any other occasion. After that, we can take a look at our account settings, and there is one very handy feature. When you go to account admins, you can actually invite other people to help you to manage everything. Here you can invite people to manage team members, so billing settings in particular, so that is much easier for you to navigate the whole platform. I really hope this video has been useful and easy for you to understand. In case you run into any problems, please feel free to contact our support team. They're always there to help you. And thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.